Good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government pass question. Question number 45 says Nigerians' role in the African Union was prominent during the regime of who or dash. Nigerians' role in the African Union was prominent during the. It means that in African Union, among these rulers, which of them performed very well, that the role was obvious in AU. Option A say President Ibrahim Babangida, B say President Olusegun Obasanjo, C say President Shehu Shagari, D say President Musa Yar'Adua. So the person whose prominent role was obvious and sounding in African Union is President Olusegun Obasanjo. Option B is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more of our videos.